Okay.
So this dropping point apparatus, you have to conduct this experiment to check the dropping point of this grease. You can see this is the escape grease, and the NLGI number is shown on that. How we can recognize the grease? By the NLGI number, National Lubricating Grease Institute. Grade 3. This is generally grade 3 grease, means general use grease. In home generally or in residence we are using this grease. So this is the paraffin oil. This is the burner. We are heating the paraffin oil for uniform heating. This is a small cup you can see in which we are putting this grease, and this tube having the notch. So we are putting this cup inside this particular tube, and then this is the thermometer to check the temperature. Only we have to touch this particular surface of the grease, you can see. Okay, so this is the thermometer, this is the cup in which we are putting the grease, and at the bottom for this cup there is one small, you can say, opening through which the first drop will be coming outside. So we have to check at what temperature the first drop is coming outside. This is the dropping point, this is the temperature. Okay, so at what temperature it becomes starting to liquefy, it becomes liquid. Okay, so I am putting this inside this paraffin oil. So heating will be takes place, and we have to check the temperature. The first drop will be coming out. You are hitting this. You have to check at what temperature you have to check the temperature at which the first drop should be coming. Temperature is about 140, but till not drop is coming outside. You can see the first drop is coming outside, and this is the temperature. You can check the temperature. I think it is 100 and
Temperature.
this temperature 100 and Please.